Okay, the unit has been assembled, all the wires connected. This is going to be the first test of the DELL XPS 8300. The previous unit came out of the box faulty and under warranty. The unit was replaced and sent back to DELL. First power on test. No BIOS error codes. Unit is starting. Starting Windows for the first time.
Say it forever.
Yeah. Well, we hope we don't get jinxed, that's for sure.
That's for sure.
Okay, the DELL is doing the initial preparation for the first time use. Takes a few minutes longer to boot. This unit has a video card, 8 gigs of memory. Double check the specifications. 1 terabyte hard drive. There are less USB ports on the back because there are new eSATA ports and another connector. So the mouse and the keyboard had to connect to 2 front USB ports on the top of the unit. There are some additional USB ports on the bottom of the unit. Let's see if we can take a look and see it. Right. There's a drop-down tray. And then there's the extra 2 USB ports and a USB 3.0 port. Close the tray. This one, though, wasn't ordered, came with additional memory card readers. The initial boot up was successful, so we're going to go through the first time test, make sure everything is okay. Be back.